One new Kingston HR 3000 heavy-duty gap bed lathe, made in Taiwan, weighing 15,000 pounds, featuring 34-inch swing over bedways and 120 inches between centers. 44-inch swing and gap, 25-inch over cross slide, 4-inch spindle bore, D111 camlock spindle, 20 horsepower motor with 16 speeds from 8 to 800 RPM, complete with jogging button and foot brake. Comprehensive inch metric threading capabilities. Power feeds and rapids in X and Z axes. Capable of changing direction at the saddle. Harden and ground double V-ways. 2-speed tailstock with hand crank. Complete with Bison 25-inch 4-jaw chuck. Chuck guard. Coolant system. 40 position quick change tool post. Roller finger steady rest. Accurite 2-axis digital readout. Halogen light. Leveling screws.